Hi guys, today I'm going to put on the protective coverings for the glass on the GoPro 13. I've ordered these protective foams from Temu and they seem to work great in terms of size. Hopefully they do stick. I'm going to remove the covering that the camera originally came with and try and stick the pieces of glass on. You first want to clean the glass of dust and any fingerprints. So it comes with wet wipes and a dust cover. You want to clean that first. Remove the covering of the protective layer and then just stick it on. Make sure you're not trapping any bubbles underneath. If you do, you want to carefully remove those bubbles so that you have a clear film, especially over your lens. Let's put the protective layer over the back glass. You want to clean the surface, make sure it's free of dust and any fingerprints. Remove the sticky layer off the protective layer and then you want to carefully place it over the camera, trying to get as few bubbles as possible. The size is perfect and fits perfectly on the camera. Press the glass over, trying to remove any bubbles that may be trapped under, and you can see there's a foam that's now formed underneath, and you want to carefully remove that so that there is no air bubble trapped underneath. I've carefully removed all the bubbles. Now it will be a test to see if the screen actually works as a touch screen now. GoPro, turn on. And the touch screen seems to be working perfectly.
And it's recording.